Today, we are in the middle of a major change in the electrical industry. We are moving from a type of network that is static and substantially centralized in terms of production to a new type of network that is much more distributed, where the energy is produced in several sites from different sources like photovoltaic, wind, biomass, and other sources. And all this energy, the tendency is to use it in a much more intelligent way. All this change in the use of energy is inducing a lot of complexity in the way the network is managed. That is the reason why the new network, the modern networks, are called smart grids. The smart stands for the intelligent level that is mainly composed by ICT applications and solutions. At FreeMind, it is exactly here where we can bring a value.